A Powerig is basically a hydraulic pump. It provides oil flow via a hose set to the Huck tooling for installing Huck fasteners. The benefits of using a hydraulic Powerig are that they're designed for a much higher volume application. They can install larger fasteners than a pneumatic tool can. They can be smaller tooling in comparison, so they can get into tighter spaces. They're a lot easier to maintain too. We can install the full range of Huck fasteners with the Powerigs. Anything from small blind fasteners in solar panels, larger fasteners in rail track, and we can install the bobtail fasteners in large wind turbine towers. The HuckForce Standard is the KA28 series. That provides a pressure of 535 bar at a flow of 3.3 litres a minute below 150 bar and a flow of 1.6 litres a minute above 150 bar. The HuckForce Advance, which is HK32, is ideal for medium use applications. It has a maximum bar of 600, it has a flow rate of 3.2 litres a minute, and it has the option of the shore set and option of 2 outlets. The HuckForce Premium, which is the MP series of Powerigs, is for the most demanding high use applications. It provides a pressure of 700 bar. We have various flow rates available, up to 8.1 litres a minute. We can have the shore set option for it, and we can also have 2 outlet option. The field-based diesel rig, which is perfect for where you don't have any electricity supply. This can be used in bridge, rail, fencing, or any repair maintenance application. The field-based petrol rig, the PP275, is a small, compact, lightweight rig which has a manual control for the direction of the oil, and it's an ideal alternative to the hand pump for the rail track repairs. We have the field-based single-phase rig, the HK3416. This is a small, compact rig where you only need, or you have a supply of 110 or 220 volt electricity. Again, ideal for small, low-use applications. It provides 600 bar pressure, 1.6 litres a minute flow. As far as new product developments go, we have a new rig that is a prototype at this stage, has all the capabilities of our current range, but also has the ability for us to remotely access the rig, so we can hopefully diagnose and repair from our desks.